Harvard School of Engineering, presented by Justice Grantham, 5th period, and on October 8th. What is the Harvard School of Engineering? The Harvard School of Engineering is an engineering school that is located in Cambridge, Massachusetts, and was founded in 1847. The school specializes in various types of engineering courses, such as electrical engineering, biomedical engineering, and computer science, in order to solve many different problems in the real and digital world. This can range from designing different types of medicines to creating websites and phone applications. Admission requirements. The Harvard School of Engineering requires students to have an average GPA of 4.18, an average SAT score of 1,520, and an average ACT score of 34. Combined with a 4.7 acceptance rate, Harvard is an extremely difficult school to get into, requiring students to have an almost flawless GPA. Available majors. The Harvard School of Engineering offers a variety of different engineering majors, including bioengineering, computer science, electrical engineering, environmental science and engineering, master in design engineering, leading in AI, exploring technology and policy, and so much more. Computer science. For my engineering major, I decided to look into computer science. Computer science at the Harvard School of Engineering studies both the fundamentals of computation and said computation's interaction with the real and digital world. This can range from working with artificial intelligence, privacy and security, data management systems, computer graphics, and developing apps. First year exploration. If you are planning on enrolling in the study of computer science, you must first pick several computer science courses, or CS courses, including, but not limited to, Great Ideas in Computer Science, Software Engineering in the Arts and Humanities, Privacy and Technology, Data Science 1, Introduction to Data Science, Introduction to Theoretical Computer Science, Data Structures and Algorithms, and Fairness and Policy. Perspectives of Law and Probability. First year exploration, fall term. The next thing to consider would be the courses that you'll be taking in the fall, those being CS 50, Introduction to Computer Science, CS 61, Systems Programming and Machine Organization, and CS 121, Introduction to Theoretical Computer Science. First year exploration, spring term. Finally, there's the courses you'll be taking in the spring. CS 51, Abstraction and Design in Computer Science, CS 20, Discrete Mathematics for Computer Science, and CS 124, Data Structures and Algorithms. Sports. At Harvard, there are a variety of sports to choose from, such as baseball, skiing, flag football, figure skating, archery, cricket, fencing, cycling, and so much more. First year exploration, mathematics. In computer science, mathematics are one of the main bases to the medium, whether it be the use of linear algebra, probability, or optimization. It is essential that you have a strong foundation in the mathematics in order to succeed. The main math classes for computer science are as follows: linear algebra, probability/multivariate calculus, and proofs and discrete mathematics. First year exploration, recommended courses. The Harvard School of Engineering strongly encourages that their first year students keep their options open and consider more than one plan of study, or concentration. With that being said, you should check with other concentrations that you are considering that will satisfy your requirements, specifically math. First year exploration, recommended courses continued. Below Below are some of the mathematics courses that Harvard recommends for their first-year students. Math 21B, or Math 21A, Math 21A/B, Applied Math 22A, Solving and Optimizing / Math 22A, Linear Algebra and Vector Analysis, and Applied Math 22B, Integrating and Approximating. Credit hours. Harvard offers 2 degrees in engineering sciences, the Bachelor of Arts, AB, and the Bachelor of Science, SB. The degree requirements differ from each of these programs. The AB program requires between 14 and 16 courses, 56 and 64 credits, while the SB program requires 20 courses, 80 credits. Career opportunities. If you plan on making a career out of the computer science field, then you might want to look out for these types of jobs: a software engineer, a game developer, and an IT consultant. Software engineer. Software engineering is a branch of computer science which includes the development and building of computer and application software. Think of them as the guts behind some of your favorite websites and smartphone apps. For the most part, software engineers specialize in modifying existing hardware applications, creating new applications from scratch, analyzing and designing full software systems, using design documentation and flowcharts to illustrate what needs to happen, and working with software developers, designers, programmers, coders, and others to bring things together. IT consultant. The job of an IT consultant is to help businesses to create value and optimize performance through technology. Their primary duties include analyzing and diagnosing a company's IT infrastructure, understanding a client's business needs, and designing and implementing a solution through the use of technology. IT consultants are mostly responsible for analyzing a company's IT system and infrastructure, diagnosing IT system problems, inefficiencies, and weaknesses, understanding a client's business needs, and monitoring the success of an IT solution. A game developer. Game developers specialize in creating, designing, and testing games for personal computers, video game consoles, smartphones, tablets, and more. There are 2 different paths to take as a game developer: working as an indie game developer and working as a AAA developer. Indie game developers either work alone or in small teams to create a game and sell it, while AAA developers work in either small or large teams and usually work on different parts of the game. Salary information. While finding a job for your career is important, the salary of said job is something else that you must hold with utmost importance. Below are the average salaries that these types of jobs pay. In Bloomfield Hills, the average salary for IT consultants is $90,002. In Detroit, an average salary for game developers is $64,881. And in Lansing, the average salary for a software engineer is $67,418. Schools with computer science majors. Of course, the Harvard School of Engineering is not the only college to offer majors for computer science. If you would like to go to colleges that are within Michigan and are not as grueling to get into, here are 5 that I would suggest: Lawrence Technological University, Kettering University, Central Michigan University, Calvin University, and Davenport University. Companies that support these careers. If you are looking into getting a job at a specific company based on the past 3 jobs, here are a few to consider: Electronic Arts and Blizzard for game developers, Fserv and Amazon for IT consultants, and India NIC and Tabasoft for software developers. Here are all the sources listed for my presentation. I thank you for listening to my piece, and I hope you enjoyed.